Hello again, lesson 7, introduction. Part 1, to create voice, use function tone. Part 2, execute the program in Arduino in prots. Part 3, execute the program in Arduino homework. The tone instruction allows us to play the tone. The tone generate square wave. Okay, write tone bin frequency, bin of buzzer and frequency. We will talk about this. I mean, you have two choices. Write tone function, tone bin frequency or tone bin frequency duration. I will talk about this. Now, if you use tone bin frequency, the tone not stop, and tone bin frequency duration for stop. Okay, I mean, write this in millisecond, 100 millisecond for stop the tone, for example. Okay, if you use this instruction, not stop, continues until equal to not tone. This is the bin. Write the bin in this, the bin. Okay, now use of tone function will interface with PWM output on pins 3 and 11. If you use function tone, you have to use pin 3 or 11 just. Okay, in Arduino Uno. Now this is square wave. Low, high. Okay, low, high. T on or T high. T off or T low. Now high, low. Okay, one cycle or period. Okay, one cycle, I mean T on plus T off. One period, two period, three period, four period. Okay, this is square wave for period. Now this is high T on, high or DT cycle. Okay, DT cycle of period. T high, T low. 50% T high and 50% T off. Now this is square wave and times millisecond 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 55, 13, 35, 40. Okay, or for period. Frequency. Now frequency equal to 1 over period, or F equal to 1 over T in hertz, and period time equal to 1 over frequency. Okay, now what is this frequency or of square wave, of this square wave? Okay, look this, 5 millisecond, 10 millisecond, T on 5 millisecond and T off 5 millisecond, and period is 10 millisecond, period 10 millisecond, frequency equal to 1 over period over 10, but millisecond millisecond. Okay, like this. Now frequency is 1 over 10 millisecond. Okay, multiple to 10 power to minus 3 for second. Okay, equal to 100 hertz. This is the frequency 100 hertz. Okay, 10 millisecond multiple of 10 power minus 3 for second. Okay, equal to frequency equal to 100 hertz. Okay, now like this. Ton bin 3 and frequency 140. Duration is 40, I mean for period. Okay, the bin 3 for example, and frequency 100, I mean 5 on and 5 millisecond off. Okay, this is period. Now this frequency of square wave is 100. Okay, and for 1, 2 period, 3 period, 4 period, I mean 40 millisecond. Okay, now this is instruction equal to this is square wave. This is instruction generate this is square wave. I write this instruction or write this. Digital write high for 5 millisecond, low for 5 millisecond, high for 5 millisecond, low for 5 millisecond. Okay, now write this 4 times: high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. I mean this duration 40 millisecond. Okay, now write this equal to, write this 4 times. Okay, now equal to generate this is square wave. Okay, now the function ton use duty cycle 50%, I mean T high 50%, T high 5 millisecond and T low 5 millisecond, I mean 50%. Like this, duty cycle equal to T high over period multiple 100. Okay, this is work in by ton, function ton, 50% duty cycle. Okay, 5, for example, 5 millisecond low and 5 millisecond high. Okay, and this 25% duty cycle, not used by ton. Okay, if you use this, write as this. Okay, now the function while the loop while condition statement, condition before statement, and do while condition after statement. Okay, now this condition before statement, now this statement before condition. Okay, the condition is Boolean expression that relate to true or false. Condition true or false, I mean 1 bit. Now how do while loop it work? For example, integer I default equal to 0. Do I plus plus, I mean I plus 1, I plus by 1. I, now look this, default I equal to 0. In this line I equal to 1. In this line I equal to 1. This condition is true. To loop I equal to 2. I equal to 2. Condition is true. Now I equal to 3. I equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I equal to 9. I equal to 9. The condition is true. Now I equal to 10. I equal to 10. The condition is false. Now execute this line of line. Okay, look this. I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, part 1, circuit diagram. Okay, now this is circuit diagram. Okay, 5 volt and ground. The pin button 1, pin 1, the pin LED, pin 2, the pin buzzer, pin 3, and resistor 313 ohm. This is resistor 1 kilo ohm. Now the program in Arduino. The buzzer for pin 3, the LED for pin 2, the button pin 1, integer equal initial value equal to 1, I equal to 1. Okay, now buzzer as output, LED pin buzzer as output, pin LED as output, but pin button as input. Now do turn for 2050 frequency, 2050 hertz. Okay, duration is 18. Okay, now I plus plus and wait for 1 second. Now look this, I equal to 1, turn I equal to 2, condition is true. Turn I equal to 3, condition is true. Turn I equal to 4, condition is false. I mean turn for 3 times. Okay, turn, turn, turn. Okay, now in function loop, if pin button high, the turn run, the buzzer run for frequency 9300 and LED high. If button open, stop the buzzer. Okay, stop run the buzzer and LED off. Okay, now Part 2, execute the program in parts. Now look this program 3 pin 3 as output. The tone 3 frequency is 250. Okay, look this now. Now calculate the period 1 over frequency 250 equal to in second. Okay, for millisecond multiple to 1000 equal to 4 millisecond. Now 4 millisecond, 2 millisecond high and 2 millisecond low. Okay, now look this, verify. Copy, paste. Now look this Arduino pin 3 oscilloscope. Look this, the oscilloscope. Okay, now run. Okay, now look this, high for 2 millisecond, low 2 millisecond. Okay, now look this, 1 millisecond, 1 millisecond. Okay, 1 2 millisecond high, 1 2 millisecond low. Now this is done. Okay, equal to this. Okay, high for 2 millisecond and low for 2 millisecond. Look this, verify. Run. Okay, 2 millisecond high and 2 millisecond low. Okay, now look at this. Now for duty cycle, now for duty cycle 55% and 1 millisecond high, 3 millisecond low. Duty cycle 55. Okay, verify, run. Okay, now high for 1 millisecond and 3 millisecond for low. Okay, now this is program Arduino 250 frequency 19 duration. Okay, frequency 9,300. Okay, now like this. Verify. Okay. Okay. Now, like this. Arduino, telemetry, laser and speaker, laser or speaker. Okay. Speaker. This is speaker. Okay. And LED, pin 2, bottom, pin 1, and oscilloscope. Okay. Now, like this. Run. 1, 2, 3. 3, turn. Okay. Now, if button pressed like this, increase frequency, high frequency. Okay. Okay, high frequency. Like this. Okay. And now the program in Arduino. This is program. Now, hello. One, two, three. Okay. This is the button press, the left one and the laser one. Okay, now homework. Homework 1. This is program. Change what to change inside loop do while for turn 6 times. Okay. Do while for turn 6 times. Turn, 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 turn. Okay. Homework 2. This is program. Now, delayed instruction not on being busy. This is not on being busy. And change inside function loop. For if button pressed busy run. Else if not pressed busy off. Okay. Delete this and change. This is if button pressed busy run, if not busy off. Homework 3. Delete duration in line 9. Okay, line 9. Delete duration. Empty. Okay. And change what to change inside function setup. 4. Leave the program doing the sum work. Okay, now, thank you.